What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to replace some windshield wipers on a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE. After we complete the replacement of the windshield wipers, we're going to use some Rain-X water repellent to spray the windshield down and complete our windshield wiper replacement. We of course are going to begin by first lifting the windshield wiper. And then we're going to take our finger and go into this tab right here and lift it. Turn the blade and push down and then lift it out. We'll of course repeat that for the other side. Taking a look at our windshield wipers, we can see here that we're working with a J-hook style wiper blade arm, and we can take a look at the back of our box here and see that this particular wiper blade does fit on either the small J-hook or the large J-hook. Now here we can get into opening the box and taking the blade out. Here we have our instructions, the wiper blade itself, and an additional connector cover. Now you may have noticed this yellow strip on here that says to remove the protective cover before use, but as per the instructions, we want to actually remove this yellow blade cover after installation. The blade that we're starting with is the passenger side, which is a 20-inch blade. To get started with the J-hook style wiper blade arm, we're going to take our wiper blade and we're going to depress the buttons right here on both sides of the blade with our index finger and our thumb. We're going to push that in and then rotate that cover upward. To install your new wiper on your wiper blade arm with the J-hook, once again, we're going to keep our latch open here, and then we're going to insert the J-hook portion right into this slot here, as such. Once in, you're going to push up and slide it in place, and then you're just going to latch and snap it in. To install the new blade on the wiper blade arm, we're going to keep our latch open and insert the J-hook portion of the wiper blade arm into this slot right here, as follows. Once inserted, you want to slide the blade upward and then latch the cap until it snaps. We will now repeat this process for the driver's side. For the driver's side on a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE, we're going to use a 28-inch blade. Once again, for this installation, we do not require this connector. And as before, we will leave the yellow protective cover in place until we've installed the blade. As with the other blade, we're going to push on these caps here on the side and rotate it upward. Once again, with the latch open, we're going to slide the wiper bit blade arm J-hook into the blade, push up, put the cap down until it snaps into place. Now that installation is complete, we can remove our wiper blade protective covers. With our brand new wipers installed, we're now going to clean the glass before applying Rain-X. I love using these wipes because it just makes cleaning the windshield that much easier. Now with the windshield clean, we're going to use this glass water repellent by Rain-X and apply it to our windshield following the instructions on the back of the bottle. After a period of letting the windshield dry from when we cleaned it with our cleaning wipes, we're going to apply our spray. After a few minutes of letting that dry, I'm going to use my cleaning wand with the microfiber end and start wiping down the windshield. As per the directions on the bottle, I'm going to use a wet set of paper towels here, just dampened, to wipe off the remaining haze. Now the purpose of that wand is really for easier cleaning of the inside part of the windshield, but when I do spray my Rain-X, I like to use it to apply the Rain-X nice and evenly across the surface of the windshield. Once the haze has been removed, the windshield wiper arms may be lowered back into their original position. And that completes the replacement of a windshield wiper system on a 2014 Toyota Sienna XLE. Thank you everyone for watching. If you liked my video, I'd appreciate you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.